Hi, this is Paul again from sellandshow.com. What we're doing today is reviewing the Sony Bloggie Touch. And I got inspired to buy this after I had seen the pure digital flip video, and it's a very similar device. It has a retractable USB to connect to your computer. And this one also has an HDMI output for high density digital. Now, the first one that I bought was the other one, and I really liked that one a lot, so I decided to try this one. This one has a really good large screen. That's one of the things that attracted me about it, and I really like it. It's a touch screen, so you touch basically the menus right there, and you can scroll back and forth as a digital telephoto. And in some ways it's easier to use and has a larger screen than the one I'm using to record this video, which is the one by Pure Digital. Now, do I like this? Yes, I like it very much. I'm going to give it as a gift to somebody, actually my mother, and it's going to have personal recordings around from the family, and it's a gift for her birthday. And it's a great device, very easy to use, and not terribly expensive. I purchased mine used on eBay, where I buy a lot of stuff for very great value. And basically, it has a little tripod thing in the bottom that you can connect to a tripod. It sets on there now, and you can record any kind of personal video. Now, the software that comes with it, actually, it works automatically with Windows. You have to install something that's recorded right on the drive, I guess, of the camera itself. And what you do then is you load it up, and if you need the Mac version, I have not been able to get it yet, but apparently there's a device or a software for the Mac version of the software, so you can use this device to share with Facebook or YouTube or whatever. And I did import the videos into iMovie for the Mac system, and it works just fine. So again, this is the Sony Bloggie Touch. Now, it comes with no external battery or internal battery. The other one, by the pure digital flip video, has batteries that you can replace. This one does not. But after a couple hours, it runs out of batteries, and you can plug it into your computer or any other device for USB charging. Now, this one also has a little switch over here, where this one takes a snapshot, so I can actually take a snapshot of whatever I want. There you go, see? Now, with the other one, by Pure Digital, you can't really do the snapshot feature, but they're both very easy to use. Now, as far as preference, I don't know. This one has a large screen and everything, but again, it's a little bit, just a thinner kind of a thing, and I feel like when I travel, I'd go for something a little bit more robust, which is the one by Pure Digital. But again, they're both very useful. Very useful tool. So when you travel, and if you're in business and you want to make little recordings of meetings and so on, very handy device. That's the Sony Bloggie Touch. Great thing to buy. Okay, just a little bit more information about the Sony Bloggie Touch. You can get them in a white, and I believe they're going to follow the same pattern as the Pure Digital Flip Video and offer some different customizable patterns. As far as the size is compared to, this is the iPhone with an OtterBox protector on it, so you can see the screen is very big, and it's a touch screen as well. But again, you might want to have a cover or a case, or look on OtterBox. You might be able to find a case for this. Again, there's different models as far as how much space there is in there. I think this holds about an hour or two. I know the one by Pure Digital Flip Video, the one I have, is an 8 gigabyte, and it holds 2 hours. And this is full high resolution video. It looks nice on this screen, but it looks even better on a large screen, and you can plug it directly into your TV. So again, this is a very useful device. And as far as cost, I think originally the price was around $200 or something, but honestly, if you look around on eBay, they've made so many millions of these things that more and more are available, and people are upgrading and so on. So you can expect to find I mean, I consider something like this for $100 a real bargain, because it's going to just take so many pictures. It's going to be used to communicate with family and friends and business and things I want to sell on eBay. What a great device. So that's the Sony Bloggie Touch. Hello again, this is Paul from beststufftobuy.com and sellandshow.com, and today I'm going to review the little video camera made by Pure Digital called the Flip Video. It's called that because it has a little USB thing that flips out and you plug it in your computer and it charges it up. It holds about 2 full hours of video and high resolution, high density video. It's extremely easy to use. You turn it on just like this and it starts up. It comes with its own built-in software, and you plug it in and you install the software on your local drive, and next thing you know, you'll be able to review and edit your videos. But you can also download them easily into iMovie for Mac and QuickTime and so on. So it makes a really easy to convert file. In other words, you don't even have to bother with trying to do a file conversion for iMovie. It has a place for your tripod here, and this model, as opposed to the Sony Bloggie Touch, does have a battery compartment that you open up here and you slide it open, and there is a replacement battery here. But generally you probably won't have to replace that very much. Now, as far as comparison to the Sony Bloggie Touch, I like this one a lot. I like them both a lot, actually. This one feels a little bit more comfortable in my hand. I'm a big person. The other one feels like it's going to slide right out of my hand. Although, again, the quality is equal. The utility is about equal. The other one has a larger screen. But I use this for all kinds of things in my business. And when I travel, I carry it with me. And it's a good idea for something like this to have a little case for it. Our cases are reviewed in other places, but there are different kinds of cases that you can get for devices like this. Now, as far as cost, I think the original price was around $200, but if you look around on eBay, there's the 4 GB version or the 8 GB version, and there's different colors. I think you can get a white one, and I believe that Flip Video offers these really amazing customizable skins, you might call them, for this device to make it really personal. So again, they're very, very useful, and I highly recommend them.